What's up, Assassins? This is the Assassin's Creed, and today I'm going to be playing Flappy Crush. It's basically Flappy Bird, but you crush them. But you do have a board mode and a two-player mode, but I'm by myself. I did unlock every single game mode, as y'all can see here, but I'm going to be playing normal right now. I got the, I don't know what type of tube this is, but it's a ride with speed. I used to have a speed with cannon, but the width actually helps. So I ended up getting that tube, this tube. And I have no scope, rain of arrows, and lockdown, which is my favorite one. And they are all fully upgraded too, so I get 20 seconds with each of them. You have to get 3 of each, and then you're able to use the specialty. And there's 2 ones for lockdown. You have the metal one that doesn't count as a point, and then the 10-point electrical one. So you have to get 2 things for lockdown to get a bullet. Not acid rain. Rain of arrows. And the next one I get will be the one I'll be able to use since I have 2 of each. As y'all can see in the bottom. Oh, and I moved the record button. Yay! So I don't have to worry about when I play NBA Live with me, accidentally stop recording. And Rain of Arrows is just like it is Rain of Arrows. This one is just going to relax for 20 seconds. And it's really confused when you get to like 1,000, before 1,000 and up. Because they really start coming in and it's really hard. And you want to try and get combos because it doubles points. It doubles how many points you get to destroy. I'm about to get lockdown. Lockdown, you wait 20 seconds for the birds to come and then you just shoot them. And sorry I didn't upload earlier. I woke up at about 11 because my dad made me get up and I was still really tired. And I've basically just been sitting around. That's why this is a late upload and I'm sorry for that. And tomorrow I will be doing another episode of NBA Live. So please tune in to that. I did do a game on NBA Live because I got bored yesterday. Oh, nice to... But back to what I was saying, I did play a game yesterday, and that's because I got bored. And I'm so glad I didn't record it, because I did beat Milwaukee. I think it was 28-21, I'm not for sure, but I embarrassed myself in the first half. I was missing dunks. I was like missing every shot ever. I only scored like 6 points in the first half, honestly. And then second half, they had the same time as I did. But I absolutely humiliated myself in that game. So I'm so glad I did not record that. But I did end up winning against Milwaukee. I'm so happy about that because my undefeated streak is still going. And I did join a league earlier today, called, the Freedom Fighters. Actually, just Freedom Fighters. That's basically what we're on. And now running ends. "56 kills. It's actually going really slow. Usually I have like a combo of 3 boards every single time. And this is only my second time using this tube. I'm used to the cannon where every time you kill 3 boards, you get the cannon shoots out. I'm about to get another lockdown. Oh, that yellow board almost just scraped down with humiliating myself. Because I'm used to getting 2,000s and up. My high score is 3,427, I think. On normal. A stream is in the 2,000s, and then the others I just absolutely suck. 70, yay! Around 1,209. Absolutely, I just thought I ran lockdown. Oh, thank God. I thought I had 2 of each and lockdown was about to go away. I hate that when it happens. When you're about to get your specialty and it's coming and then you kill another specialty and it goes. I absolutely hate that. And especially, I can mind if I get the no scope instead of the arrows. But when it's lockdown, since that's my favorite one, I get so mad. It's not even funny. No scope. I like the music when it goes in slow motion in this. I'll be quiet so y'all can hear it if it comes on. The really sad music is funny. I love that sad music, especially for this. I don't like sad music, that's why I don't mean that, but I love how I added that music when you go slow-mo. It's funny. I also got the gun, but I'm not using that. I also have a flash tube is what I call it, because it's red and yellow, super fast, and has a yellow streak. This is probably going to be the only thing I do, because I'm already at 8 minutes and 31 seconds on recording, so I don't want to get over 15 minutes in the board mode. See how many boards I'm getting and how many combos of 3 I'm getting? That's what it's like. That's why I like having 20 seconds. You can just rest and not have to worry about someone passing. I think they should have a mode where you're aboard trying to escape the tube, where the tube is going down and you're the board and you have to escape. That would be a cool mode in this. But you only one board, so you only get one chance. I know they have a Flappy Board 3D. I actually played it and it sucks because you have no idea when you're above or below the board. Like, the board, I don't know if I understand, but, and you don't know, and if you go up even just a centimeter, you're dead. I hate that. And this is why you should upgrade to 20 seconds. I wish they would upgrade to 30 seconds. Because you're going to need 30 seconds at one point. So I have to watch out for the no-scope because sometimes I don't know I have 3 and it starts going off and I have no idea. I'm so confused and it's like, what? Oh, and then I have to start doing it again. And then just wait and relax for 20 seconds and you get a bunch of kills. $94 kills. They're doing nothing. No stuff, you actually have to do something. But you get points even if you don't kill them. Like you see the times 3s and times 2s. That's how you're gonna do it. Slow-mo city. I just went to slow-mo city. Most of the time it was in slow-mo. Why haven't I got any random arrows in a long time? Okay. 3,000, yay! Dang it! No! I could have had a thing for lockdown. And the buzzer at the end. Buzzer beaters! I'm gonna be so happy. Because not only am I gonna be my high school, so I'm gonna be part of y'all. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna beat it. I'm pretty sure I just beat it. I ain't killing nobody. Here we go. Yeah, I definitely beat my high score. See, if I didn't get that one no-scope, I would have had lockdown right now. And I'm mad. I'm about to have lockdown. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get like 100 and something kills. Highest kills I've had from lockdown is 104. That's it. So, I've never been to this point. I'm about to have to stop this video. Because I'm at 14 minutes. If I reach that, I think I might have to stop this. Once I reach 4,000, I will let it board go. Just so I can be able to upload this. Alright. I probably could have gotten more by to upload this video, but anyways, thank you for tuning in for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out.